All right, imagine this for a second. Your Google business profile disappears overnight. No warning, no explanation, simply gone.
That's right. You wake up, check your profile, and boom, it's suspended. And suddenly you are left in a panic, desperately trying to figure out what you did to upset the all-powerful Google algorithm.
Algorithms!
Now, most business owners will immediately panic and they'll start trying to figure out what went wrong. Was it a competitor? Was it a random glitch? Was it something I missed? But the reality is, Google rarely tells you what happened, so you're kind of left in the dark.
But here's the thing, it does not have to be the end of the road. We have a proven 7-step strategy to help you get that profile back and fast. In the next few minutes, we're gonna walk you through how exactly to do this and hopefully save you from wanting to jump off a cliff.
Step 1, confirm your suspension type. The first thing you need to know is whether you're dealing with a soft suspension or a hard suspension.
Exactly. If you're dealing with a soft suspension, it means that your profile is still showing up somewhere on Google. You have simply lost the ability to manage the profile. It's not ideal, but you are still visible. A hard suspension, on the other hand, that's a whole different story.
That's right. If your profile is completely gone from the map, that is a hard suspension. And the urgency to fix these is much higher. So search on Google Maps for your business name to see what pops up.
Once you know which type of suspension you have, you can better prioritize the next step. If it's a soft suspension, you've got time. But if it's a hard suspension, it is time to hustle.
Step 2, you got to audit your profile for any red flags. Google loves consistency and accuracy, and they'll suspend profiles for things like having a virtual office or even too many edits to your profile in a short period of time.
So go and check your address. Is it exactly how it's listed on your business registration?
And don't forget, Google really doesn't like duplicate listings. If you've got more than one listing for the same business, you're going to want to clean that up immediately. Step 3.
Go check the owners and managers who have access to your business profile. If any of these users has had their Google account suspended, it takes down your listing along with it.
That's a huge one. So go through the list of users and make sure that there's no accounts that are restricted. If you find any, remove them from your profile before you file an appeal.
Yeah, it is all about cleaning up your profile and making sure it's squeaky clean before you submit any appeals to Google.
Step 4, collect proof that you're a real business. Google needs hard evidence to be convinced that your business is real. And unfortunately, they won't just accept anything.
What you need are things like utility bills, tax documents, business licenses, and even photos and videos that show your physical location. Google wants to make sure that you are the real deal.
Be prepared to show them that you're a legitimate business and not just some spammer.
Next up, you want to make sure that your profile is very clean. That means no keyword stuffing, no redirects, and no service areas that overlap any of your existing listings.
And one final pro tip, use your real business name and definitely use a domain-based email for ownership. That's the way to stay in Google's good graces.
And now step 6, file the appeal with your evidence. This is crucial because the appeal tool is the only way to get your listing reinstated.
Make sure that you upload everything at once. A half-done appeal won't do you any favors and could delay the process even more. Be thorough, be professional, and then you wait.
Finally, step 7, avoid those future suspensions. Once you're reinstated, you do not want to end up back here.
Don't panic. Don't panic.
Make sure you make edits to your profile slowly. Never use a virtual address, and be careful not to add too many users to your business profile.
We all know that Google's system is always watching.
For Sauron will have dominion over all life on this earth.
So stay on top of it and make sure that your profile is compliant.
Don't be one of those business owners that is guessing for months. Follow this process and get back in the game in weeks, or maybe days. So there you have it, the 7 steps to fix your Google business profile fast.
Do not panic and do not create a new profile. Just follow these steps and you will get reinstated, stronger than ever.
If your profile is suspended currently and you'd like specific advice comment down below and say you're suspended.
And of course, if you found this video helpful, please hit the subscribe button. It helps us keep bringing you content just like this. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next one.